Hey guys, welcome back to Bre&Em. So today we are doing training in our color challenge.
Yeah, if you don't know who our names are, I'm Em and she's.
Yeah, but our real names are Brianna and Emily.
But we like to do the Bre&Em channel because that's our channel called.
So basically today we are
Playing some Roblox. And what kind of Roblox are
we're trading in our color. I think I already told you this again, but I'm once again I'm
That's what it's called.
light brown and Emily is dark brown.
Yeah, because
So whoever trades the most things, like it doesn't just have to be pets, it could be like food or vehicles or anything.
Like anything that.
So this is like, what would you say this is?
Guys,
Let's go see outside. 1 second.
I'm about to make a neon otter because I won.
But you have to trade. Yeah, so you can trade like one
five
otter.
otters, so I can trade one otter.
I'm gonna say this is like light brown. I mean it's both, so I guess this can work if it's to trade that.
Yeah, but it's kind of,
Yeah, see there's light brown in here, there's dark brown here.
I'm gonna go out with Vienna.
Okay guys, so let's go to the trade place where everybody normally is.
I'm gonna go in my sled.
Oh no,
And I'm gonna bring an otter.
Okay, now let's go out. Here, teleport to me.
You teleport to me.
No, I'm already at the place. Okay, guys. So this is our first video.
I'm coming, Vienna.
This is our first video, so
I'm coming.
we make videos every day, but sometimes we're a little busy, so probably not every day, but
So I'm going to Vienna.
all right. Okay, there's literally nobody here.
And my
This guy is on the train. Oh, I want to trade with her. I don't think anybody's gonna let. Oh, she did.
So right now I have my buffalo out.
Please accept.
Okay, I'm here. Where are you?
Honestly,
Are you by the train? Oh.
please accept people.
Yeah, I'm running you over.
So I don't think anybody's gonna accept because I only have like dingoes and bandicoots. Oh, okay. Okay, so she sent me a trade request. Okay, bandicoot.
So I'm gonna.
Oh shoot.
I'm gonna get out my diamond pack.
Vehicle sled.
I just got out my diamond
dingo.
pack.
Okay, so please
I got out my
accept.
diamond pack.
A pizza unicycle. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna take one of the bandicoots away. So I'm trading her this dingo, this sled, and this bandicoot for this pizza unicycle. So that sounds fun. So, okay, the trade was successful.
No, don't trade. Never trade sled. I mean, never trade that what I gave you.
I know, but okay, I got 2 pizza unicycles. Okay. So now I'm gonna send this girl. Literally, you have Robux. Okay. I'm gonna trade. Is this light brown? No, that's not. Wait, this. Hey, why did you send me a trade request? I'm just gonna show her. I'm not actually trading this, but I'm just showing her that I already have. Oh, she's definitely gonna decline it.
No, accept it.
I know, she should have accepted it, huh? Well, guys, this challenge is kind of hard because I don't really have any like light brown stuff. Okay, guys, so me and Emily thought we're just gonna narrow it down because like this challenge will probably end pretty soon because pretty soon. But so that's because we don't really have any light stuff, so we're just honestly like trading stuff. So that's what the challenge is, I guess, just trading stuff. Okay, this guy, do you want to trade? Please accept. All these people are declining my trades. Okay. Do you want my alligator? A cat.
I can
I'm gonna show him. I already got a cat, bro.
Brianna's going to help me. I don't know so she's gonna help me make a neon otter because I traded one of my otters and I got.
Well, you have 4. Yeah, so she just has to make them full grown. So, I have a full grown otter, but I give it to you. So, how old is that one? Here, so that's Junior. That's a newborn. Okay, so this is the only full grown one, okay? So you don't have to grow that one, okay? But you have to grow these ones.
Oh, so I have to do things for those ones?
Yeah, start off with this one, okay?
Cause
So Emily's gonna make a neon otter and try to like trade somebody for like a ride potion so she can have a neon rideable otter. That would be pretty cool.
Yep.
Okay.
Or a flyable.
I can't really make anything neon except like nothing. Can't make anything.
I'm just going to the park first.
I need a fly potion. I'm gonna say ABC if you have a fly potion. But what am I gonna trade for that? I could trade my alligator, but
We just jumped out and now we're on the park. Oh, ow, ow.
I honestly have like nothing to trade.
Ooh.
Okay.
So that was a fail because I just jumped and then I fell on my head.
Ooh, I want to trade that girl for the cracked egg.
Ow!
She might not even put it there. I'm gonna, if she does it, I'm gonna ask her to offer.
So I have a path and I keep falling.
No, she declined it. Oh no.
She didn't want.
I'm gonna ask her what she wants to. Oh no, she ran away. Come back.
Just join her. If she's your friend or something.
You. You.
I know, I've been trying to.
What did he do? Lady, what did he do? She's like,
whoa, boing.
Honestly, like, I'm so worried because I have nobody. I want to, like, a ride potion or fly. Sorry. Oh, she does. So I can see. Oh, ooh.
Say ABC if you have ABC if you have a fly or ride potion.
I'm going to ask if somebody's giving. So I'm going to say ABC if. Wait, trading for the fly. Oh. Why is she always just collecting my trade? I'm going to say
Wait,
maybe
if
you have a kangaroo. My dream pet is a kangaroo, no joke.
Wait, why am I in school? I have no clue why I'm in school.
AC. I said AC. What the heck? Okay, I'm gonna say trading crocodile. Yo, I don't know how to spell that. Oh my gosh! Don't judge me, please. Let me search it up real quick.
Crocodile.
Crocodile. Okay, guys. This person said I have a kangaroo. Okay. Okay, where are you? Question mark. But is it this girl? No. Okay, I asked her where she was. Okay, gifts. Oh, okay. She's right here. Okay. 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 So I'm gonna say.
It's not.
Okay,
it's not
can I offer a crocodile?
What does it say? Is it a full grown? Is this a full grown?
She's thinking about it.
Yeah, it doesn't say junior anymore. No, it doesn't say junior anymore.
She's thinking about it, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Will she accept
it?
it?
Junior? Is it a full grown?
No. Oh, she declined it. I'm gonna say, what do you want for it? I'm gonna say, I have a Emily.
I have an Emily?
How about I give her? No, I'll give you. I have other pets. I have other pets. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, please. Okay, she said okay. Okay, I have.
Where the wind meets the sea.
But I don't know if I want to.
There's a moon so full of memories.
I'm gonna say, why are you singing, Emily?
Oh. I had no
Sorry,
clue.
it's alright.
I had no clue. Sorry
Do
about that.
you know anybody who has one question mark? Has she had a kangaroo, but she didn't.
She had a kangaroo, but she.
I would offer her a crocodile, but it seems like she didn't really want a crocodile.
I don't really.
If I didn't get scammed, oh, that hurt.
She's a big no.
Oh, she might be typing.
She
might
is
be
a typer.
Oh, she left. Okay,
I got my OP cute sister. I got a sister. She's my lovey. I love her because she loves me back too.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so turns out. Oh, okay. Emily's singing.
My sister is happy, but she really doesn't.
For giraffe, I wish. Okay, I really want. Oh, I'm gonna trade her and see if she like. She's trading that parrot for a. I wish I had a giraffe. Not gonna lie.
No, this person
I'm gonna say ABC. So I'm gonna say trading.
Yeah.
Trading crocodile for kangaroo. Say ABC. I'm like, you're being so weird. Okay, please say ABC but I want kangaroo so bad. I've been literally asking people all day today, yesterday. Oh my gosh. Trading paper for foster giraffe. Ah. ABC if you want to trade. ABC if you want to trade. Literally somebody. ABC if you want to trade. ABC. Okay, I'm like, shush. ABC. Okay. Okay, let's trade. Okay, she sent me a trade request. I would trade her this rideable turtle for something good. Oh my gosh. Okay. She already has all this stuff. Wow, you're rich. I'm gonna say, wow, you're rich. Oof. Wow, you're rich. Oof. What do you want? I'm trying to trade this crocodile. I'm just gonna say trading crocodile for a good offer. Say ABC. Somebody say ABC. I hate it when nobody says ABC. Okay guys, anyways, I'm gonna have to end the video here. So yeah, see you guys later in our next video.
So mine just kicked me out, so that's perfect.
Bye.
Bye.